Today I'm about to show you how to adjust AI creativity levels in Fluid.io. First, open Fluid.io and look at the control panel on the right side of your active node. Find the temperature slider. This is what controls the AI's creativity. Drag it higher for more creative, imaginative responses, or slide it lower if you need the AI to be more factual and precise. You can also switch between different AI models in the same menu, as some models are naturally more creative than others. Pro tip: use a low temperature for coding or data analysis, and a high temperature for brainstorming or creative writing to get the best results. And that's it. That's how to adjust AI creativity levels in Fluid.io. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.